Following the T568B wiring method, insert them sequentially into the waterproof connector components. Strip a small section of the outer sheath from one end of the communication cable using professional wire strippers. Then crimp the J45 connector. Wires 1 and 2 correspond to ports A and B of the meter respectively. Strip the outer sheath at the other end, and crimp the exposed bare copper conductor tightly using a dedicated crimping tool. Insert this cable into the inverter's meter port, and use a screwdriver to install the wire corresponding to port 1 into communication port A of the meter, and the wire corresponding to port 2 into communication port B of the meter. Install the current transformer CT on the measurement circuit at the household grade. Note: the arrow on the current transformer CT should point toward the load side. Ensure the clamp is completely secured with no deviation. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe for more installation tutorials.